What's up, guys? Feed you information here. So, I'm going to predict right now that AMD may fall tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday, but sometime definitely in these next 3 days because of an article like this. They'll just be that fall day. Simply, and it'll be like just AMD. It'll be for like no freaking reason. I could be wrong, but watch. It's going to happen. Analyst downgrades AMD shares saying its soaring stock now reflects irrational expectations, which I do believe it's overvalued. We're going to compare this to Intel because of this reason right here. Northland Capital Markets lowers its rating to market perform, meaning that they feel it's going to perform within the market rather than from outperform, so exceed the expectations of the other market stocks. Predicting Intel will eventually improve its chip offerings, which I do think is true because Intel is like a $200 billion company, I do believe, in the market cap, and it has a very, very low PE, meaning that its earnings is clearly, it's clearly posting some big earnings. We think the AMD shares prices reflects irrational expectations, the firm's analyst Gus Richard says. So, let's go ahead and compare them real quick. We have AMD. Come on. Search it. Thank you. Alright. So, AMD. It was up 1.24% today. Let's see how it's done this last week. 3.4%. 33% this last month. So, it's probably going to have a decent amount of chunks falling. Watch. 101 PE with a market cap of 31 billion. So, that means that they're probably not posting some crazy good revenue. Let's go ahead and check that out, though. AMD. Come on. Ooh, that was quick. Nice. Boom. I'm sorry, guys. I'm running on 4G instead of Wi-Fi, so it's a little bit slower. Alright, so right now they're having 6.5 billion annual revenue. And they're having 41.3% revenue growth. But their last earnings... I know I'm like eating up time right now. I'm so sorry. I don't do it on purpose. I might do it like a small bit, but I definitely don't do it on purpose like completely. Shit, man. Okay, I don't know when their last earnings was, but their annual is 6.5 billion, so that explains why the 101 PE, like it's a crazy high PE. Now, let's go ahead and compare Intel real quick, alright? Jeez, man. I'll just go ahead and get crazy in videos so it keeps you guys entertained. We have Intel. So, you have 16.56 PE with a 210 billion market cap. Crazy. So, watch the difference. There's going to be a huge difference here in the earnings. Technically, that was AMD's revenue, though. I know I'm like saying everything right now. And I'm searching AMD. You guys are like, this guy's drunk. Alright. Boom. 66.2 billion annual revenue. Revenue growth of only 7.3%. So a lot slower because it's posting a lot of revenue. 10 times what AMD is performing, so this would make sense. As much as I hate to admit it, they are right. This stock should be falling, but hype makes it go past the ratios that you would commonly use. You would compare those PEs. You would be like, Intel's the clear better choice. It's way cheaper. It's the perfect time because they're being so negatively looked at. That's when you enter a long-term position normally. And I'm not saying to invest in Intel. I'm just saying if I were to have to choose one or the other right now, I probably would choose Intel because long-term, I feel like they still got their shit figured out. But at the same time, I'm a more riskier investor, and I know that hype can destroy rational opinion just because day traders and swing traders make so much money off of it. And AMD is an absolute swing trade, day trade stock. So you wouldn't go wrong trading either. But yeah, that was just my take on that whole article and everything. I do think AMD will fall, and that's just my opinion. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like, and feed you information out.